As he descends, the excitement only gets greater. He sniffs. What could it be? He sits patiently, awaiting. The feet twitch with excitement. To make sure there are no damages, the proper safety equipment is applied. A feast fit for a king. The first bite, the barometer really taken. The crowd awaits his decision.